Now, we're going to finish up driver board 1 by grabbing driver board 1 9 to 13, and we're going to go through the same hole we just went through up here. Remember, you got to take 8 wires through each of those grommets. And we have one driver board totally wired up. I'll probably end up putting a wire tie on each one of those, but they sure don't look bad the way they are. Now, what I'm going to do is take the remaining 16 wires for the driver board 2, and I'm going to put all the connectors on. We now have all the connectors on the wires for data board 2. The first group is going to be data board 2, 1 to 4. So we come up here and we go through the corresponding label to make sure that we got them all in there. These are 1 to 4, so let's find them and plug them in. This one is 2-2. I can already tell you I like doing it this way better. Just a little more efficiency when all you're doing is putting connectors on, or all you're doing is poking wires. Dress those in out of the way. Now we get the wires for data board 2, 9 to 12. And make sure we go through the corresponding bushing for 9 to 12. And the last ones we're going to do are data board 2, 13 to 16. Now we'll dress these off in nice fashion. Pull those up through, dress them over to the side. You can take wire ties, dress these up just perfect the way you want them, so you can tell everybody you had a real professional in here wiring this. And thanks for watching, and we'll leave the lights on for you because they don't use hardly any power.